English Grammar and Writing Skills course of EduPoem EdTech. You're watching the video with Manisha Bedi and the topic for the video is how to write a dog kennel advertisement. Okay? How to write a dog kennel advertisement. So for this purpose, again, what are the points which you have to mention is you have to put kennel here. Okay, talk about the breed of dog. Okay, mention the breed of dog first of all. Second, dog's age. Then third is the color of the dog. Fourth, talk about the training. Okay. Fifth, talk about the expected price. Sixth, contact address and phone number. Now this dog kennel advertisements are actually written for different purposes. For example, you want a person, you want to contact agency, or you want to have the services like for dog sitting, dog walking, dog training purposes. For these reasons, if you want the advertisement, then you can put of the advertisement and you can put this important and crucial informations into it. Okay, whether like if you talk about to dog, just think practically that what are the things which you will try to imply. So first thing is that you will mention the breed of the dog, you'll mention the age. Okay, that dog is like in the very pet stage, very much it's not adult. Okay, if it is in young age or not. So these things you have to take care about. Then you'll have to mention the color of the dog. Okay, breed you have already mentioned. Then you'll talk about the training purpose, like what are the things you want the services for, like what are the trainings you want your dog to be trained for different purposes. Like if you want a sniffer dog, you want for you have seen dogs for different purposes, like a simple pet, or you train dog for commercial purposes, for lost for police, and for the CBI purposes, for inquiry. Sniffers are basically used for this. Okay, so police dogs they basically call it. So for these purposes, what happens, so you want your dog to be trained in that form, so you have to take care of these things. Okay, then comes the expected price, where the expected price you can mention the expected price. For example, depends upon you want the service or you are giving the service. Okay, you are providing the dog services in that case. Then again, put out your contact address and the phone number and your name and the name of your store or name of your organization, so that the people can follow you, can connect to you easily. Okay, so this is how you write a dog kennel advertisement, how you write to the people, or how the people who want the service can reach to you. Okay, so this is one such example of a classified advertisement. All right.